Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Class 9 Biology Chapter 5 The Fundamental Unit of Life Part 3. In this video we will learn cell is like a factory, cell structure and cell wall. Once look into a busy factory. All factories have exterior walls that protect and support them and interior walls that create separate work areas. They usually have some kind of production line where a product is assembled and an executive department that decides what product is made. A finishing department processes and prepares the product for shipping, and packaging department wraps the product. In addition, a factory has a receiving department that brings in the components it needs to make its product, a communication department that allows it to contact suppliers, and a power plant that provides the energy it needs to run. Finally, a custodial staff keeps everything clean in good working order. Cells are very similar to factories. To stay alive and function properly, cell labor similar to that found in factories. Here we will examine cells as factories. Cell structure. Let's take a visit of a factory. In this video, we will explore the factory and find out how it works. This is the protective boundary wall of the factory. As you're moving, you find in main work area. This is control room. Everything is managed from here. Do not forget power station. It keeps the factory running. This is where all the work done by machine. Did you know that just like this factory, there are tiny factories in our body as well? Now we'll look into the factory running in our body. As we know that the cell is a structural and functional unit of life, take a look into this generalized eukaryotic cell. As in our previous video, we have seen the structure of prokaryotic cell, that is the structure of bacteria. Now today, here we are going to look into a structure of eukaryotic cell. If you look into the eukaryotic cell, you will come across the plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. These structures can be compared with a factory's departments. Remaining this, there are many cell organelles present inside the cell, which are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, lysosomes. We'll learn in detail about this in next videos. Today we are moving to the one important organelle is cell wall. Look at the cell. Notice the cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid, non-living, outermost covering of the cell. Remember, it is seen only in a plant cell. It separates the cell contents from the surroundings. It also gives shape and protection to the cell. Now, from which material the cell wall is made up of? Cell wall is composed of cellulose, a complex carbohydrate, and it is permeable. The word permeable means it allows the material to enter inside the cell and exit outside of the cell.